It is currently 4:30 in the morning. I have added, well, a hole that turned out to be unnecessary, so it's filled in and patched with plastic and caulk. I'll probably put something in there later, but for now that'll do it. A switch, added 2 lights, a second USB charge port, or three quick charge ports, and then to the top I've added a 12-volt socket, and all of those should be reasonably watertight. So I had a bit of an issue a little bit earlier with the wiring, but I think I have everything packed inside and it should be functional. So let's give it a go. And close it. Let's see. Anything? It is closed. Open that one up just so I can hit the switch. So that part is functional. Let's check. We do have power. That is for the USB. You have power for the 12-volt socket. This powers the plug there, which is for the fish finder. This powers the quick charge and Type-C USB power delivery, and also the voltmeter. Switch back here is for our for our LED lights, which are pretty darn bright. So everything works. That makes me happy. This is the plug that goes to the solar panel. It's right here. So, you have to turn it on before plugging in solar, but when you turn it off, there's the master switch down here. When you turn that on, it turns on power to the charge controller. It shows that you have power, and the red is for load. And if I were to plug in the solar panel in the sun, then the third light would go on for charging the battery. But so far I'm really happy with the design. Got about as much as I could possibly fit in this tiny little Pelican style case, and it closes without hurting the wires.